Scott doing at MarineMax at Dallas, and we're going to check out a brand new Sea Ray SPX 23. So the 23 SPX has a fully upholstered bow, nice comfortable seating area, nice and wide. It's one of the things that's going to set this boat apart from most of the other 23 footers you'll see out there on the market. You can see the channel rails in here for the LED lighting this boat has. This boat's also going to have an upgraded Fusion sound system in it. Be Fusion speakers with a subwoofer and an amplifier. Small head compartment, also great for storage. In the dash, it's going to have a 10-inch SIMRAD. That's going to give you chart plotting, downscan sonar, fish finder, plus all of your gauges using SmartCraft will be built straight in through it, which is really, really nice. In-floor ski locker, as well as new for this year, a flip-flop backrest. So if you're pulling the kids on tubes and skis and you want to face backwards, you can go ahead and flip it that way. That way you get a real nice place to sit. Built-in cooler underneath the seat directly behind the captain's seat, as well as a lift-out dedicated cooler underneath the back seat. So this one was also, of course, ordered with a water sports tower, how we order practically everything here in the Dallas market. It's also going to have a full-width swim platform on the back, as well as a flip-over swim platform on the back. That's going to flip over and sit about 6 inches underneath the water, give you a real nice place to sit if you're swimming around the back of the boat with the kids, or if you go boating with dogs. Dogs can use that to get in and out of the water, where most dogs can't use a swim ladder on a regular platform. So it's a really nice boat with a brand new gray interior also. So I invite you to come in the showroom and get a look at it, or pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks a lot. We look forward to talking to you soon.